All right, first let me apologize. My sound on the other video, I don't know, the mics had done something, so I super apologize. I know that can be aggravating, you guys trying to listen to the video and you got no sound. So today I'm doing it without the sound. I want to get this back up, and so I'm doing no mic, but I'm going to really try and speak up, and hopefully you guys have sound. So let me know how the sound quality is on this one, and I'll be using the mic on the next one. But here's what we have. Several courts, state courts and federal courts, have started saying that felon possession of a firearm is unconstitutional. They've thrown several of those cases out. I've reported on some out of Mississippi. I've reported on some out of California. So we've got several. So this is the latest. Before I give you the latest case, let me tell you what happened here. The Bruin case came out. And the Bruin standard said that you have to look at things in light, as far as this Second Amendment rights and felon possession of firearm, you have to look at it in a historical aspect. So it's to take place back when the Constitution was put into place, and that's at the time period that you have to look at it. What were the thoughts of society then? And when you came out of prison, even if we just go back 100 years ago as cowboys, when you came out of prison, nobody thought that you couldn't have your gun and go. That was unheard of. In fact, the prison warden guard, most of the time, they gave you your horse, a gold coin, and your guns back when you got out of jail or prison. So when we look at it in that light, which is the light in the historical aspect, nobody in their right mind can claim that felons were banned from guns. So this is why these judges, in light of the Bruin standard, said, look at it like this. And now these judges are actually doing it like they should be. And as the Bruin standard has, as the Bruin standard has told them that you should be analyzing this, and they're analyzing it in the correct way now, and they're coming up with this is unconstitutional. So the latest we have now is out of Chicago, Illinois. Y'all tap in down there. Let me know where you're from. Definitely if you're in Chicago and know about this case. We got Robert Gettleman, federal district judge, Robert Gettleman, out of the Illinois, Chicago area, has found a convicted felon. I believe this was a violent convicted felon, but a convicted felon throughout his charges saying possession of firearm is unconstitutional under the Second Amendment, hence the Bruin standard. And that is absolutely correct. He's following Bruin, and that's why he's throwing this case out. So this is the latest. This is coming out of Illinois. Their circuit, the Federal Circuit Court of Appeals for Illinois is going to be the 7th Circuit, so that's where that's going. Slick, correct me if I'm wrong. Slick gave us this good information on Robert Gettleman. So two things. Get in the comments, and let's first thank Judge Robert Gettleman for following the law. Thank you, Judge Gettleman, for following the law and finding that it is unconstitutional. The felon possession of a firearm is unconstitutional. So this will be going to the Supreme Court probably. Again, this case here is going to the 7th Circuit first, and then it'll probably be going to the Supreme Court if they haven't already ruled on that. But Rahimi, we're still waiting on that. That should be coming out any minute now, like any week. It may even come out this week, so we'll see. We're still waiting on that. But that's the latest. Out of Illinois, another federal district judge, Robert Gettleman in this case, has found felony possession of firearm unconstitutional. So we just racking them up. Y'all get in that comment section, like this. Let's get it pushed out. Tell me what state you're from in that comment section. Hit that thumbs up. Let's get this pushed out to other like-minded people. Comment, subscribe, and do all that, and we'll catch you on the next one. And let me know, please, if my sound quality ain't good in this one, I'm just going to give it up. Y'all let me know how the sound quality was, please. Thank you.